Alright everyone, guess what? She's here, she's here, she's here. So this baby I bought from Russia off of eBay about almost 4 weeks ago. It was the middle of October. It was like October 13th or 14th I ordered her. So all I've done is taken the tape off. I had to go pick her up at the post office because she was signature confirmation and I wasn't home last night when they tried to deliver it. So let's see what we have. So she looks like she's nicely packaged and she's covered up. So let's see what the goodies are first. So we have a little bag here. And I know she made some homemade clothes and stuff for her. So looks like this little just something. Has a really pretty little headband for her. And then I believe this is like supposed to look like a pacifier. Oh, it's their hair clips. So we got this pretty hair clip and this hair clip. And then this is supposed to be like her pacifier because I asked her to put a magnet in her mouth for a pacifier. So maybe she just didn't have any pacifiers. I don't know. But I will be able to put whatever kind I want on there. So that's cool. Alright, let's see what this looks like paperwork. Okay, so this is the little booklet that I got with her. I think I'm going to wait and I will show you the information in there after. But then there's this big old headband for her. I believe she makes all of like their clothes homemade and stuff. I don't know. Let's see. There's a ribbon on here. Let's see what else we got. Oh, look at these little cute little fancy pants. It has like a little butterfly here on the pants and little feet. Have little tulle and jewels. So it looks like a little tutu skirt. It's pretty cute. Ryder thinks he needs to be part of this. And a bonnet. That is quite the fancy little bonnet. Ryder, this is not meant for you. And then here is the top of it. And it buttons up. Very cute. So maybe that headband goes with this little outfit. A little fancy little outfit. Let's see what other goodies we got in here. Oh, she sent like the props and stuff too. So there's this little cow with a little Susie and has on a cute little outfit. And it matches. I'm guessing that she's wearing this outfit because that's one that was in the video. Oh, and then we have like a bottle too. Oh yeah, has a little nipple on it. It's interesting, it has like a little holder. But yeah, she has that all done up. Oh, and some fancy little shoes. Hey. What are you? Oh, she's playing with the ribbons. So there's her little sparkle shoes. Oops, part of it's coming off. There. I can probably hot glue that back on. It's a little bit fancier than my usual. So we'll put this back in the bag. I do like the white outfit a lot though. And we will get the baby out. So, she's a big girl. She might wear more 3 to 6 months. Okay, let's see. Oh, I have like a poppy pillow here we can put her on. open her up a little easier. There we go. Okay. So she has this pretty pink blanket. Let's see what we got. Oops, curtains are falling down. So there's her legs. And her other leg. You can feel the beads in there. Hopefully they're glass beads. And then here's her arms. So some of you might be able to guess what kit she is. I'm seeing her arms and her legs. Excuse me, sir. Let's see, did you guys get... Oh, there's her feet. There's some veins coming down her leg there. Yeah, she has a size 2 pamper on. She's a big girl. So let's see what her face looks like. Oh, there she is. She's a little blondie. Now, I've never had a blonde baby, but I thought she was really cute looking. She's okay. I guess I'm not... Hey, 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 hey. Get off the baby. Here she is up close, so you can see her. Her hair. I love her little face, though. Her face is really cute. Oh, she has rooted eyebrows, too. That's interesting. I've never had one with rooted eyebrows. To fix up your hair a little bit. From traveling. So there she is. She is the Phoenix kit. Whoops. Totally almost knocked you guys over. By Andrea Articello. So I will have to go back and look and see who was the first to guess that on our giveaway. So this is a little book she came with. And the information. Born on 10/10/17 at 11:57. I don't know what all this says, but she's 56 centimeters, 2.88 kilos. Reborn by Svetlana. I don't even know how to say that. So, that is her. So we'll be back with some more videos soon. Hope you enjoyed this little box opening. I'm going to look her over some more and we'll go from there. Bye, everyone.